After NEET SS exam, all the aspirant is looking for the information regarding college fees, cutoff rank of previous year's allotment, bond, stipend, all the informations. From Careermudra, we are also keep updating all the information to the students. In my earlier video, I shared with you the cutoff of different super specialty courses, fee structures of different private colleges. In today's video, I'll share with you the SS fees of one of the reputed private medical colleges in Odisha, that is IMS SUM. Along with IMS SUM, there are another reputed colleges there in Odisha, that is Kalinga. So we'll share with you both IMS and Kalinga fees in today's video. My name is Ayan Ghosh. I am from Careermudhra, Bangalore. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all important and relevant information in context of SS admission. So let's start with the fees of different super specialty courses in IMS SUM. First, DM cardiology fees is 9,90,000 per annum. DM clinical hematology 12,80,000 per annum. DM clinical immunology and pneumatology 14,80,000 per annum. DM critical care medicine 9,90,000 per annum. DM endocrinology fee structure 14,80,000 per annum. DM medical gastroenterology 16.8 lakhs per annum. DM medical oncology 10.15 lakhs per annum. DM neonatology 14.80 lakhs per annum. DM nephrology 9.8 lakhs per annum. DM neurology 9.9 lakhs per annum. MCH neurosurgery 10.8 lakhs per annum. MCH plastic and reconstructive surgery 5.5 lakhs per annum. MCH surgical gastroenterology 16.8 lakhs per annum. Kalinga Institute of Medical Science. DM cardiology fees 7 lakhs per annum. DM clinical gastroenterology fees 7 lakhs per annum. DM neurology fees 7 lakhs per annum. DM clinical immunology and pneumatology 7 lakhs per annum. DM endocrinology 7 lakhs per annum. DM nephrology 7 lakhs per annum. MCH neurosurgery 7 lakhs per annum. MCH urology 7 lakhs per annum. Student, this is all about the fee structure of different DM and MCH super specialty courses in IMS and Kalinga. Both are in Odisha. We keep updating all the informations regarding super specialty courses. If you have any further query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. We also provide expert counseling guidance for NEET SS admissions. If you are looking for the guidance, you can contact in this number 9900486666. In this number, you can contact for the counseling guidance services for NEET SS admissions. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all relevant and important informations regarding NEET SS. Thank you so much, students.